Greetings. Welcome back to another video, Forex analysis. I'm going to make an effort to make this video shorter, 10 to 15 minutes. So I just want to take a quick look at some CAD pairs in anticipation of a high impact news event that will be unfolding today. So just a quick look at the economic calendar. We see I'm in East Africa, so 12:30 p.m., which is going to be somewhere in between London Open and New York. There's a high impact news event on CAD. So I'm going to take a look at the chart and see if there's anything that I can anticipate for New York with regards to movement on CAD. So let's try to be quick with this one. I'm looking at the CAD index on the daily chart. So I see clear bullish momentum. And what I see when I look down at the 4 hour is these equal highs. And again, just on the 1 hour. So I don't know how relevant this may be. I'll just mention it though. There's a gap here. So possible that this may be filled. So I do see the potential for CAD to weaken before reaching this high from the higher time frame. So, don't want to frame setups here on the index, but I'm just noticing there is a possibility that there is an obvious trend taking place on CAD. So there may be a strong retracement with this news event. And again, on the 4 hour chart, these kinds of things is like, it could easily come back here and still pull right back. Probably wouldn't come that low. But anyways, so let's take a look at some CAD pairs. First would be USD CAD. Had mentioned in a previous video, definitely have a bearish bias on USD. However, taking into consideration this information with CAD news, and I see there's a stall here at this previous low. We haven't really done anything. We're stalling here. We did breach the area, so I am somewhat anticipating a possibility of some kind of W that could still do something like this. So let's take a look. That's 100 pips. So if this is the type of thing where it's like, I have my bias on this pair, but I am seeing there's a possibility with this news event, there may be some kind of not even dollar strength, but CAD weakness that would force this pair up 50 to 100 pips. So I'm just gonna pay attention and see if there's a setup at New York. So the next CAD cross I want to take a look at is GBP CAD. And similar to the CAD index, there's this high. So anyways, if I was going to be expecting CAD weakness, I'd be expecting strength. So I wouldn't really be looking for the M. I'd be looking more for some kind of pullback. So again, just something I'm going to take into consideration during understanding that there is a news event, which can be used as explanation, as to volatility. So I think what my idea would be is to wait for New York and see if I see any kind of synchronicity with CAD pairs to kind of let me know, okay, if this setup's playing out simultaneously with other setups, I might have something to work with. And I'm going to take a look at EuroCAD. So I believe I did put this in a video. I do like this structure for a buy. And I would Yeah, so that would go along with the possibility of CAD weakness at the news. And this is really just a short term, like a day of weakness that I'm anticipating, but it might not happen. Um, but taking that into consideration, uh, and this is the 4 hour. What do we have on the 1 hour? On the 1 hour, I do have a break of market structure order block down here. So I'm going to take that, mark that up here to here, possible area. So what I would be anticipating is if this trend line continues to be respected and I get a pullback into this bullish order block zone that I drew up, then I might look for something like that. I mean, just for a short-term day trade, 100 pips, if I can get low risk down here. So we'll take a look and we'll wait for that. We're going to wait for the synchronicity of the correlation with the CAD. I'm not going to rush into it because I do see that CAD is bullish. However, we'll see if this news event possibly is going to be used to sneak in a retracement. So let's take a look at CAD JPY. And 4 hour chart, we have an uptrend channel. I would not want to take a sell before here. However, from this zone. So again, this is the type of thing where it's like on the Euro CAD, because of the structure, I would consider the buy. However, on this, I wouldn't even consider the sell just because of the structure. I don't know what it is, but I would wait, you know what I mean, for the possibility. I see there's a possibility for like 100 pips of drop. And I could possibly frame a trade here on the 15-minute. As we see, there's a possible M pullback, and then we have like a 50 to 100 pip target here. However, what I probably will do is wait for them to get down here to look for a buy. But it is encouraging to see at least the structure does suggest a possibility of CAD weakness on a short-term basis. So I'm going to keep an eye out for that during New York. And it's kind of what I'm looking at. So again, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace.